In previous video, we saw what is population and what is sample. In this video, we will see what is rectangular data. Here you can see on screen, rectangular data is just 2D matrix where rows indicating records and column indicating feature. In real world, the data does not come up in rectangular data format like data collected from CCTV footage, text messages, audio files. So these are not in rectangular format. In data analysis, the basic frame of reference is rectangular data. In most cases, we natively data is unstructured, and for analysis, we process them into structured one. And one of the basic structured data is rectangular data. So you may be thinking what is structured data and what is unstructured data. So structured data set or data is data set which follow a convention, fixed convention to store the data. Whereas for unstructured data, it does not follow a fixed convention to store the data. So there is one more question. What are the example of rectangular data? So there are many example of rectangular data like Excel sheet, data in relational database, and CSV data, and etc. So here you can see the example of structured rectangular data set, where here you can see rows are records and these columns are features. You have to remember one more thing. If data is stored in relational database, then you have to extract and put it into a single table. Like you can see in last point that data in relational database must be extracted and put it into a single table for most data analysis and modeling tasks. So programming languages have many objects which store rectangular data. One of these is DataFrame. This is most popular rectangular data object used in Python and R language. So here you can see on screen. So here you can see data frame and their indexes. So data frame is basic rectangular data object and database table have one or more column default for index. Like you have seen a Excel file where rows number are default 1, 2, 3, 4 and columns are A, B, C, D. So these indexes are defaults and the indexes improving the efficiency to access the data, and it is also possible that we can set a multi-level indexes to improve certain type of operation efficiency. So this is about data frame. You can learn about data frame in pandas documentation. Data frame is nothing but an object of programming language which is used to store rectangular data. I am also planning to make tutorial on pandas. You can follow that tutorial to understand what is data frame in details. As of now, this is enough for data frame. So thanks for watching this video. We will meet you in next one.